DOEC Triple C syllabus, communication and internet. Part 1. Online contents for courses on computer concept. Syllabus are Introduction to Computer, Introduction to GUI based operating systems, Elements of word processing, Spreadsheet, Computer communications and Internet, World Wide Web and web browser, communication and collaboration, making small presentation. Introduction. The advent of computers has revolutionized the workplace and redefined operational practice. The use and deployment of computers, computer system and information technology application in every aspect of business is now common. The recent application and adoption of web-based information and telecommunication technology has forced multiplied the capabilities and benefits of computers. Computer system connected over a web-based environment or internet-based network can communicate with each other. Varied connectivity and access technologies with computing interfaces facilitate communication of employees with business partners, suppliers, customers, government regulators, and the other stakeholders. This chapter introduces you to basics of computer communication and internet. Communication is the most popular use of the internet with email topping the list of all the technology used. Some of the types of communication technology used also include email discussion groups, Usenet news, chat groups, etc. that are unique to network computer environment and have come into wide popularity because of the internet. Here we are understand about computer network like LANs and WANs. Internet is architecture and concept of websites, communication on internet, services provided by internet service providers and getting connected to internet. Medias to access internet. Local area network. At first, what is networking? Networking is the practice of linking two or more computing devices together for the purpose of sharing data. Networks are built within a mix of computer hardware and computer software. A computer network is a group of computers that are connected to each other for the purpose of communication. Network may be classified according to wide variety of characteristics. A local area network (LAN) is a high-speed communication system designed to link computers and other data processing devices together within a small geographic area such as work group, department of building. This allows users to electronically share vital computing resources such as expensive hardware, examples, printers and CD drives, application programs and informations. Local area network implements shared access technology. This means that all the devices attached to the LAN shared in a single communications medium, usually a coaxial twisted pair or fiber optic cables. A physical connection to the network is made by putting a network interface card (NIC) inside the computer and connecting it to the network cable. Once the physical connection is in place, the network software manages communication between stations to the network. To send messages and from computer, the network software put the message information in a packet. If the message to be sent too big to fit into one packet, it will be sent in series of packets. In addition to the message data, the packet contains a header and trailer that carry data, carry special information to the destination. One piece of information in the header is the address of the destination. The NIC transmits the packets onto the LANs as a stream of the data represented by changes in the electrical signals. As it travels along the shared cable, each NIC checks the destination address to determine if the packet is addressed to it. When the packet arrives at the proper addresses, the NIC copies it and gives it data to the computer. Since each individual packet is small, it takes very little time to travel to the end of the cable. After a packet carrying one message passes along the cable, another station can send its packet. In this way, many devices can share the same LAN medium. The following characteristics differentiate on the LAN from another. The first is topology. The geometric agreement of devices on the network. For example, devices can be arranged in a star, a ring, or the straight line. Protocols, the rules and encoding specification for transferring data. The protocols also determine whether a network uses a peer-to-peer or client-server architecture. Media. Devices can be connected by twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, or fiber optic. Coaxial cables or fiber optic cables. Some network wireless do without connecting media together instead communicating via radio waves. Wide area network 1. A wide area network is a geographically dispersed telecommunication network. The term WAN distinguishes a broader telecommunication structure from a local area network. A wide area network may be privately owned or rented, but the terms usually connote the inclusion of public shared user network. An intermediate form of network in terms of geography is a metropolitan area network that is called MAN. Computers connected to wide area network are often connected through public networks such as the telephone system. They can also be connected through leased line or satellite. The largest one in existence is the internet. Wide area network once combine the continuous error detection and correction techniques included in synchronous communication with robust network problem determination and data routing from powerful backbones that ensure high quality reliable service for end users. These networks allows multiple users to access a variety of host computers simultaneously through the same physical medium while spreading each user session so that no user is aware another on the network. Wide area network also operate at the speed much higher than the 19,200 bytes per second limit of normal voice grade telephone lines. It is possible to enter data for sales and transaction at the point of sale terminals using WANs. It is also possible to centralize this data in a computer for processing or reporting purpose. For example, supermarkets in advanced countries connected through WANs can send all sales data from their remote sales center, and the central purchase and distribution center can monitor all the sale figures on a day-to-day basis. Like this computer network. Thank